We're doing a SHEIN haul. And it's a big one, so let's get into it. So this sweater is from SHEIN too, because I know a lot of people like pink too. Anyway, so here's the first box. Look at me, look at the box. Anyways, I think I'm opening this upside down. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Okay, the box is only big because of the containers. So the first thing here is the scrubs. I bought them because I wanted to see the quality and they were so cheap. Oh no. Now I know why it was so much for such a low price. I don't think this could actually like take us stuff, but hey, thing I got was this container. And is it broken? Oh, I thought it was. But it's for the fridge. So I bought it. I don't think it'll fit in my fridge, but I bought it. Literally, this box is so big because of the two things that made it huge in here. Let me show you guys. What is this? Anyways, we got this. Oh my gosh, you know what I bought? I bought the mop and bucket SHEIN version to it. Because I was like, SHEIN has their own version. I need to see this. It's literally a whole mop and bucket. This is insane. We're gonna test this out today. Okay, this is not giving like the actual spin mop that my mom has. It's giving plastic, but we're gonna see how good it is. Oh, and they also give the handle for it that you put together. So all of this you put together. Okay, so I have this plastic here. I'm putting it on the bed and then I'm putting the box on the bed. Just so you guys can see everything as I take it out. I don't know about you, but when I'm watching hauls, I want to see every process. The opening process, how it looks in the box, everything. So that's why the box is so big, because of the mop in my total. Anyways, here's another box here. And oh, wait. I don't know if this is for sunglasses. And it just slides out like this. I don't know what I bought it for though. Let's see. But it's cool. I don't know if I bought it for like glasses to store my glasses in. But I like it. I really like this. This is nice. Alright. Next thing. The only thing that I wish SHEIN had was like the actual name of the product. They have the SKU code, which you can obviously search. Okay, so I got this. This is for when you come out the shower and you don't want to walk around with the towel on your head. You just plop this on and it dries your hair at the same time and it makes it stylish. Let's put it on. Oh, this cute. So this here is a food strainer. A lot of these items I wanted to try out because I'm like, I can't believe SHEIN is selling these things, like kitchen items, like cooking items. Let me see what it's all about. I realized that SHEIN Home, their items are really affordable. What is this on here? There's some dirt on it, but it's fine. It's just a strainer. Cool. So I bought this mainly just so when I have my tea and I'm pouring in a cup, I can strain out everything. Next thing I got, whoa, I didn't know they gave me this many. This is like a whiteout marker, but I didn't know it was this many. Look. Oh my gosh, this is for my office. But this is cute, but the only thing is a little bit plastic, but it comes with various colors. So for back to school, this is such a great little addition to have because it was super affordable and it comes with a cute pouch. I think I want to do more like SHEIN stationery. So you guys comment down below or like up the video. Got this one. I don't know why it's well, I do know why it's open, because the coloring on the ad on Shein looked nice, but it's giving super plasticky. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is way too plastic. It's kind of embarrassing. On the website, it looked so nice because it was just shades of, it was giving like pastel, but in like very nice shade. So I was like, oh my gosh. But now that I'm actually seeing them, they're really plastic. Let's write my name. Nah, these I don't like. Look, it's not smooth. Like, it feels like you're scraping the paper to get, no. Anyways, I'm getting a little bit hot. Let me take this back off. All right, next, let's see what this big huge thing is. This is the dog bed. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. How do I open this? This is the doggy bed for my doggies. I was so excited for this. I got a bed for dogs, but I think the quality is not that great for these ones here. Can you guys see through it? Yeah. But again, it's very affordable. And plus these dogs, this is gonna go outside for the dog, so it's okay. I'm so excited for my dog. So next, I got a crystal storage rack. And I should have got 2 of these because, look. Let me show you guys. It doesn't make any sense that I got 1. I should have got 2. Because it's like a set. So they're supposed to stand up on each other. And I only got 1 of them. That's embarrassing. So it's supposed to stand up. Did I break it? Okay, so this is how it is. But I was supposed to have another one to go and then you can put things on. Alright, next. So where I live, there's some stray dogs. And I was like, I need a container to put their food in so I can give it to them. But this container is way too small. I thought I could have used this. I thought I could have used this to put their food in. I'm still going to use it for the dogs. But like, how much of my leftovers can I put in here? It's so small. Okay, one thing I can tell you guys about Shein. Some of the things on their website look super big when it comes to home and stationery. They look really big, but when you get them in person, it's really small. And then someone's gonna be like, you should have looked at the dimensions. They shouldn't promote the item that looking. Actually, that's like the same with burgers. Do you know how when we see ads for burgers and we're like, OMG. And then we get the burgers that small, so. Anyways, this is how it is. This is supposed to be like a desk bin, but I was like, oh, I thought it was way bigger. So I'm like, oh, I can put their food in it. I still can put their food in it, but it's so small. Next thing I got was a motion detector light, and I hope I don't have to put batteries in it. I hope it's like rechargeable. I think in this day and age, I think everyone appreciates rechargeable. I'm gonna put them in my laundry room and I'm going to see. Oh, I need a battery. Okay, I'm gonna find a battery and then I'm gonna try this out. There's some more things. This I bought to shower with. It's supposed to, or is this the dog? Okay, this is either to shower with or this is for my dogs. And you're supposed to just put it on their skin. But I'm gonna figure it out. But it's one of these. Oh, it feels so good though. I can tell you that, and it's soft. It's a little bit on the flimsy side, but I don't know if that's how they're supposed to be made, on the flimsy side. But I like it. And I got the color black. I don't know if they choose the color for you and they just send it or you can pick. I don't know if it's just me, but on Shein, there's a lot of random stuff that I just want to try out. Okay. So this one is packaged separately and it's so small. What? Oh, this is a tape measure. This was like 10 cents. I need a measuring tape to measure myself. Like, this wasn't something I was like, yeah, I need it. And I searched it on Shein. No, I just saw it and I'm like, wait, I actually should have one in my house. All right, so this one is the next thing. I'm telling you, these office supplies, they look so pretty on Shein. And they look so plastic. I would not, oh, these are highlighters. Let's look at them. Okay, I like these. They're light. You guys can't see, but they're light, but they're very nice. But they're great highlighters. I got some books. And these are, this is a weekly planner that I got. I got a lesson planner. I'm not even a teacher. Why the hell did I get that? And I got a today's planner. I don't remember getting all these, but we're gonna have a quick look together. These are stuff I feel like I'll see at Dollar Tree or Walmart or Dollarama. It has a weekly plan on here. So you have your priorities, tasks, notes. Ooh, these are cute. It's in black and white. I thought they were in color because on the website. And then it has on Monday, the dates, your priorities, to-do list, things to get done, how much money in, how much money out you made on that day, and your plans. I like it. I'm gonna actually use it. I wish, the only thing I could say is I wish they sold these much bigger, like huge ones. I like really like writing books to write in. I wish they sold them at the size like this. So look at this size. So it feels a little bit bigger. Yeah. A lot of my notebooks are the size of my math book because I like how big they are. So I have a lesson planner. Oh, this is cute. So this has color. Learning objectives. I did not get this. They probably sent it to me by accident because why would I be having a teacher's book? But it's very cute. So any teachers watching this, and the weekly planner looks like this. And this one has color too. And it's pretty. I just wish these were bigger. So it says top priorities, notes, weekly goals, to-do list, and habit tracker. And they have Monday to Sunday. These are cute. So we have some more pens, I think. What's going on? And me, I bought these pens based on like the colors. They're cute. Oh, look, these colors are cute. Let me show you guys. I don't know, maybe they don't look cute on camera, but these are cute. I like them and they're soft. It's too rough. Oh, these are like gel pens. Okay, let me show you guys. Oh, so you're supposed to take off these off of it. These are protectors on it. Ah, they're kind of tough. Like they're not smooth writing. Cute. I'm getting so hot in this sweater. Okay, note to self, don't ever do a haul in a sweater ever again. Okay, I have one of these, but I wanted to see the ones on SHEIN. So this is a lighted makeup mirror. Yeah, I knew this one was gonna be thicker. The one I got on Amazon was much more thinner, but this looks good too. So this is how it looks. And I'm pretty sure this is a stand for it. Yeah, so you can use it to make your thing stand. And then you plug it in so it can charge. And then we plug it in. This big thing here is saying that, oh, it's a bath towel wrap. See, I told you it's all random things. So this is supposed to be microfiber and is adjustable, luxe marble buttons, durable cotton loom. So enjoy the pleasant feeling by wearing it. Multi-use. SHEIN Basic Living. Okay, let's try it on. Cute. So when you come out the tub, you come out the shower. It's actually soft. I wouldn't even say it's cheap. It's actually like really nice quality. And it has Velcro. Would love to see it. This is nice. I'm gonna be using it. Okay, I got this because it was promoting so much all over SHEIN's website. And now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, this is not even how it looked on the website. Like, what? So this is supposed to go around your sink. Just make it more uniform and catch water. Next thing. Is this washi tape? Nah, like I honestly picked the most random stuff up from this website. Like, look. This is so small. So small. On the website, these look just so much more bigger. Oh, yay. Okay, I've been wanting this to clean like my big jugs that I put water, juice in, and my water bottles. So basically that's what it is. You put it in. And I think I picked this color. There's different colors and I'm like, I like this color. Something is missing. And then we have this here. Oh, this is handheld in pocket. Oh, this, yes, I got this because this is what's trending right now for the girly. So this mirror is actually good for at nighttime too. And it's small enough to go in a bag, even though people just use their phones. Let's pull this out. Wait, how does this work? Oh, yay, this is cute. Yeah, I love it. This is cute. Look. And then it goes like this. And it turns off. This is so cute. This is innovative. I like it. When you're done, and it just turns off by itself. Oh, we got some toothbrushes, and I got these for my guests, but these are so small, and it's giving prison. Nah, let me tell you guys something. On the website, these colors look so vibrant and nice, but this is giving like detention center toothbrush, I'm in jail type of toothbrush. Like, no, I have to give these to like little kids when they come over. But here, it's a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want some children toothbrushes, that's like not all that. Yeah, so this is a cutter for my packages them. I wish I saw this earlier. Cutter. Oh, so this, can you guys guess what replica this is supposed to be for? It's like a dupe, and I wanted to try it out to see if it's actually cute. But it's cute so far. I actually like it. This is cute, and they give you a case with it too. This is cute. I'm gonna try this out and put some hand sanitizer in it, and then you can clip it. All right, so, oh, these are, I'm pretty sure this is for wigs. They're headbands. Okay, perfect, because I needed some of these. These are so tight fitting. No, they're good. And then you just put them on. Let me show you guys the quality up close. So this one, I wonder if this is another motion sensor light. I think I might use this one in, I might put both of them in my laundry room, or I might put this one in the kitchen. This is a shoe dividers, and I bought this on purpose to see if it is the same exact ones on Amazon. So I'm gonna put it together, and then I'm gonna show you guys the ones that I got on Amazon and these ones here from SHEIN, and I'll tell you if it's the same exact thing. Okay, so there you guys have it. That's it for my SHEIN haul. Super big home, kitchen, office, a little bit of hair, a little bit of other miscellaneous things. I don't know if it's me. You guys let me know down below if it's just me. When you're shopping on their website, when all the items are in your cart, it seems like there's so much things coming, and then when you get it, you're like, oh, let's go shopping again. Anyways, I'm definitely gonna be shopping again. I'm obsessed with SHEIN. Obsessed because of the prices and the things that you get, and you're gonna try them out. If I don't like these things, I don't care. I'm like, I paid like literally a little bit of money for it. So anyways, comment down below, let me know what your fave thing was in this haul. I'm gonna link everything in the description box. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next haul. Au revoir.